Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing an exciting video just because I'm just so excited to dig into these boxes. Today we are going to be talking about Walmart new beauty boxes, like OMG. These are new boxes that Walmart came out with. They are beauty boxes. They do have hair boxes. There's 6 boxes in total. There's 3 hair boxes and there's 3 beauty boxes. So I picked up all 3 of the beauty boxes, of course. I didn't pick up any of the hair boxes just because we didn't have any in my store. These boxes are only $9.88, guys. $9.88. So less than $10 for these boxes, which is great. And I also love the fact that these are like boxes that you can go to the store and get. These are not subscription boxes that send to your house. These are ones that you can go to the store and get, and you will see what's in it before you actually purchase it that month. So I think that these are great boxes. Now I'm not really sure if they're gonna change them up every month or how this is actually gonna go. I just seen them in my Walmart one day. I seen a video on them, then I seen them in my Walmart one day, and I was like, you know what, I'm getting them. Each one has their own little thing about them. One of them is for the face, one of them is just for lips, one of them is just for eyes. So whatever you're into, they have one for you, or you can just be greedy like me and get all 3. The first one that we are going to talk about is the Glow For It box. I am using my green screen, so this particular box here may key out a little bit because it is kind of like a tealish green color. So this is just what the front looks like. It says Glow For It, and it has a picture of all of the products that are featured in this box. On the back, it has a list of all of the products, directions on how to use the products, and the ingredients inside of the products. Another thing that I love about these boxes is that you can open them up and see the products that are in here without touching them. Next, we have a found coconut sheet mask, which is, I think it's going to be really cool because I've never actually tried a found product before, so I think that's going to be pretty cool. We have a Milani Make It Dewy Set and Spray. I've never tried to make it dewy. I've only tried to make it last, so we're going to see how that plays out. The CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter. Again, never tried that. We have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. And then we have the Hard Candy Rose Gold Highlighter. This one has a value for over $24, and I only paid $9.88 for it, so that's a really good deal. Right, so this next one is the latest in lips, and this one is all about lips. We have the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator. This is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. This one is the Hard Candy Plumping Lip Gloss, sorry. And then this is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. So they have a little bit of everything in here, and I love the fact that this particular one has a nude shade in here for every skin tone. This particular box has a value for over $38. This is time for Eyes Favorites. This one here has a lot of eye products in it. So here we have the e.l.f. Essentials Brow Wax Pencil. Then we have the Almay Shadow Squad, and this one is in the shade Ambition. Then we have the CoverGirl True Naked Shadow Palette. Then we have the Kiss Lash Couture, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and the Maybelline Lasting Drama Eyeliner. Let's just go ahead and jump into the actual box. So this is the mask that came into the box. I don't think I'm going to try it out today. It is a brightening sheet mask. With that being said, I don't think I'm going to try it out today just because, as you guys can probably already tell from my shiny face, I already have my moisturizer on, and I wasn't thinking about this sheet mask when I put my moisturizer on. This is the e.l.f. Essentials Brow Waxing Pencils. This is it here, and it kind of looks just like it looks like an eyeliner, to be honest with you. I guess we're going to use it alone today to shape the brows. I mean, I guess it did its job. Oh yeah, it definitely did its job. The brow hairs are definitely like stuck in place. I went ahead and applied some foundation and concealer and all that stuff off camera. We're gonna go into the eyes, but we're gonna go in with the CoverGirl True Naked palette. And this is just what it looks like here. Really pretty neutral nude colors. This shade here, and just apply that. I'm gonna go in with maybe this black here and just pop that like in the outer V. One of these shimmery shades, maybe this one here, and apply that to my lid. And I think these eyeshadows are very, very pigmented, but it does have a lot of fallout, as you guys probably can tell, but they are very pigmented and they're really good so far trying them out. So we're going to go in with this shade here and apply that to my brow bone. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Eyeliner that came in the box. Very black. I've actually never tried this eyeliner, and it's like super black, like really black. This is the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise that came in the box. I already have this mascara, so I'm not going to open mine up that came in my box, but I'm just going to use mine, one that's already open, because I love this mascara. Mine is in the shade Black is Black. Theirs is in the shade Black is Black. Then as I was putting on the mascara, I completely forgot that the box did come with lashes. So they did come with what it is, Kiss Lash Contour lashes in the style Little Black Dress. So do I want to pop these on, or do I just want to go with this look here? I just pop more. And then we have a bunch of different highlighters to try out. But first, I think I'm going to go in with the Vitalist Highlighting Glow. This is just what it looks like here. Really, really pretty. Kind of like a rose gold, pinky type of gold. So, ooh, very soft. It's very soft, so let's see. I don't want to put too much on because I'm going to probably do all of the highlighters. Wow, really nice. That's actually really nice, like really nice. I really like this. I think it was super easy to apply because most of the time when you have products like this that you have to use with your finger, or you know you have to blend in with your finger, they can get kind of blotchy and really hard to blend out. But I feel like this one was really easy to blend out, and it didn't pick up any of my makeup along the way. So I really like this. Really like this. And it does dry down, but it doesn't dry down too quick to where you can't work with it. The Hard Candy one, since I've never tried this one before. This is the Hard Candy Dust Glow Rose Gold Highlighter, and this is just what it looks like. It looks like it has 3 different shades in it. Really do. But I'm gonna mix all 3 together. I feel like I'm very glowy right now. I need to blend. We're gonna top that with Precious Petals. I'm not gonna open this one because I already own it and I already have one that's open. Since I already know what this one is like, we're just gonna add a little bit to emphasize the highlight, just a little bit more. And don't worry, we're gonna blend everything together. I know y'all probably looking like Keevie, it's too much. Alright, so we are gonna come back to this box for the Make It Dewy lip exfoliator from e.l.f. So we're gonna try that one out. It's like a little lipstick. I used to use this all of the time, and if you guys are older, you probably remember me using it on the channel because I used to use it all the time, but I stopped because I could never find it like in stores, so that's why I stopped using it. But we're gonna use it today. So if I remember, you have to like apply it and you can like feel the sugar and like whatever, like the exfoliating beads all over it. And then you can just wipe it off with a cotton pad. I feel like this box is missing is a lip liner. I already have this in my collection and I really like it, so I'm not going to try that one out today. And I don't have this one. I don't think. I don't have this one. I have it in the shade Lovely, but not in the shade Dreamer. Do I have this one? I have this one in Adorable from Alani, so I probably won't be trying this one out today, but it's really pretty. I do want to try this one out from Hard Candy. This is their plumping serum, and it's in the shade Sugar Sugar. The L'Oreal Pro Matte Gloss, but I tried their Pro Matte Gloss before. I don't think I've tried the shade, which is, oh, this is really small. What shade is this? Hold on. Statement Nude. Dreamer first, because I feel like I'm gonna need a lip liner with Dreamer, so let's do Dreamer first. Alright, so this is Dreamer here. Definitely need a lip liner with this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off because these do dry down kind of fast and they're really hard to get off. This is again Statement Nude, the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss from L'Oreal. Alright, this is Statement Nude here. I feel like it's super messy, but I am going to keep this one on because I think I'm just going to pop on a lip liner with it. I love this packaging. It's so cute. Let's finish off this video with the Make It Dewy from Alani that was in the Glow box. Oh wow. Alright guys, and that is pretty much it. I tried out all three of the boxes, and of course I had some things in here that were already in my collection, but it's a good way to try out things that are not in my collection, as you guys could see. So I got to try out a lot of new products today, so I would definitely recommend you guys picking up these boxes. Let me know if you guys have already picked up these boxes, and if you have, your thoughts on them in a comment below. I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.